So the one thing being in the Vail Valley, you don't have to be here long to realize that people here are really health conscious. Somebody told me that by certain estimates that this is the healthiest county and the healthiest state in the country. And so dental health cannot be ignored when we're taking that in consideration, because we know dental decay, periodontal disease is really what we're calling it. It's a disease and it can affect your whole body health. And so I'll see cyclists who come in with an abscess, and once we get the infection taken care of, their performance actually increases, because we think that's a separate compartment, but really that's draining on your immune system regardless of what's going on there. So I feel like part of our job, you may not be a performance athlete, you may be a recreational athlete, but people here, 70-year-olds get joint replacements so they can go out and be active here, so they can get back on their bike next summer or go ski this summer, not so that they can putz around Walmart in their little cart. So that's the thing I value most about being here, because I know my son, my wife, and I are in that surrounding, and it builds in a little bit of peer pressure. But the dental component, I think, is somewhat understated, because there's a lot of people who are really healthy, and then they come in for their dental exams and we find some issues that are going on there, and there's just a disconnect there. And so part of our job as trusted advisor is to be an educator and let them know that this isn't okay, and this isn't going to get better with time, and this isn't going to self-resolve. Our job as dentists and hygienists and dental experts is to put the body in the position where it can heal. And sometimes it's reached a tipping point where we have to get involved, or else things are going to continue to deteriorate over time. So I think being in the Vail Valley, healthcare is important. But dentistry is maybe a little understated, and if I can be a resource, whether it be a newspaper article in the Vail Daily or through an online video or some of the newsletters that we put out, I feel like those little education. Now, dentistry is important to me because that's all I do every day. I realize for mom and dad and kids and people day to day, they brush their teeth in the morning, they brush their teeth at night, they probably don't floss, and dentistry isn't top of mind. But if I can help take an extra 2 minutes a day, 3 minutes a day, an hour every 6 months to make sure that we're on check there, I think that really helps keep them in the game and maintain that whole body health that comes through nutrition and exercise and really taking care of yourself.